Ladies and gentlemen, milestones are an important way of looking at the past with gratitude, the present with appreciation, and the future with a lot of hope. Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited is a specialty chemicals manufacturing company engaged in the manufacture of a diverse portfolio of structure directing agents, phase transfer catalyst, electrolyte salts for supercapacitor batteries, and pharmaceutical and agrochemical intermediates and other specialty chemicals. Tatva Chintan Pharma Limited is the largest and the only commercial manufacturer of structure directing agents for zeolites in India. Yes, also it enjoys the second largest position globally. Ladies and gentlemen, considering the wide application of the products, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited serve customers across various industries, including the automotive, petroleum, pharmaceutical, agrochemicals, paints and coatings, dyes and pigments, personal care and flavor and fragrances industries. Apart from the customers in India, the company also exports its products to over 25 countries, including the USA, China, Germany, Japan, South Africa, and the UK. Today, on this very momentous occasion, we would like to welcome the various dignitaries who have taken out their precious time to join us. To begin with, we have here with us today the leadership team from Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. We will welcome them all with a bouquet of flowers. May I invite on stage Mr. Chintan Shah, Managing Director, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. Yes, let's have a huge, huge round of applause. Warm welcome to you, sir. Yes. Yes, very, very special day today. Thank you so much, sir. We now request Mr. Ajay Patel, Whole-Time Director, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. May now request Mr. Shekhar Somani, Whole-Time Director, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now may I request Mr. Mahesh Tanna, Chief Financial Officer, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we would also like to extend a very warm welcome to the book running lead managers who have played an integral part in the success of this IPO. We have with us, and now I would like to invite Mr. Devin Kampani from JM Financials. Very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, may I request Mr. Deepak Naval from ICICI Securities Limited. Very warm welcome to you. Thank you so much. And now I would like to welcome Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, in our country, whenever we are doing some good work, some nice work, we start by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. And now, for which to do the honors of lighting the ceremonial lamp, I request the management team of Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan from BSE Limited, and the book running lead managers to please join us for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. Yes. Yes, please. We'll be now lighting the ceremonial lamp. With that, we pray that the prayers reach the Almighty and the fire within us to be the best, to be a winner, and to succeed always also burns very, very bright. Wow, thank you so much. Let's have a huge round of applause to set the energy, everyone. What a beautiful moment that was. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Devin Kampani from JM Financials to initiate the proceedings. Once again, warm welcome. Let's have a huge round of applause for sir. Warm welcome to you. Over to you, sir.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the management of Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem and the team of book running lead managers, I would like to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of Tatva Chintan. Before we move forward, let me introduce you to the management present today from Tatva Chintan. We have Mr. Chintan Shah, Managing Director, Mr. Ajay Kumar Patel, Whole-Time Director, Mr. Shekhar Somani, Whole-Time Director, and Mr. Mahesh Tanna, Chief Financial Officer. I am Devin Kampani, Managing Director, JM Financial. I was amazed at the humble beginnings by three close friends who studied together and graduated from MS University, Baroda. They started this company literally from scratch and built this company from very strong and healthy internal accruals without any support from any outside investors. The company has always been profit-making since inception. Chintan Bhai used to always explain his strategy, which is he wants his company to focus on niche products with very high entry barriers. Today, friends, Chintan Tatva is marking its debut with a market capitalization of 2,400 crores at its offer price. What a remarkable journey. I would like to wholeheartedly congratulate the management of Tatva Chintan, led by Chintan Bhai, Ajay Bhai, and Shekhar Bhai on their successful IPO and listing today. Tatva Chintan is a specialty chemicals company engaged in the manufacture of a diverse portfolio of structure directing agents, phase transfer catalysts, electrolyte salts for supercapacitor batteries, and pharmaceutical and agrochemical intermediates and other specialty chemicals. Investors have appreciated that Tatva is the largest and only commercial manufacturer of structure directing agents for zeolites in India and commands the second largest position globally. Tatva has also demonstrated consistent growth in terms of revenues and profitability. Total revenue has grown at a CAGR of 21.7% during FY19 to 21, while EBITDA has grown at a CAGR of 44.5% and profit after tax has grown at a CAGR of 59.5%. This growth has been achieved without compromising on returns, and the company has delivered a very strong return on equity of 31.5% and return on capital employed of 32.98% for FY21. This IPO received an absolute overwhelming response across all category of investors. The issue garnered over 63,000 crores, with the issue being subscribed 182 times overall, with QIB oversubscription of 187 times, retail 36 times, and HNI 517 times. On behalf of the BRLMs, I acknowledge and appreciate the good work done by all teams in making this transaction such a grand success. A special thanks to all intermediaries for their constant support, namely the broking community, registrar Link in Time, PR agency Ad Factors, bankers to the issue, respected regulator SEBI, and both the stock exchanges BSE and NSE. We are very grateful to Chintan Bhai, Ajay Bhai, and Shekhar Bhai for providing us this opportunity to work on this very prestigious IPO. We assure you of our complete support and commitment in your journey as you reach greater heights in the years to come. Once again, a very, very heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much, Mr. Devin, for setting the perfect tone for the proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite Mr. Chintan Shah, Managing Director, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Tatva Chintan, it's an honor to extend a warm welcome to all of you here, and also a big thank you for sparing your valuable time to join us here today and make this event a memorable day for us. I have personally witnessed the whole process of IPO very closely, and I can say that it was a mammoth task that demanded, and the kind of hard work that has gone into making this IPO was fantastic. I take this opportunity to thank all the team members of our BRLMs, ICICI Securities and JM Financials, legal counsels, Khaitan and Company, Indus Law, statutory auditors, NDJ and Company, registrars to the issues, Link in Time, PR partners, Ad Factors, also the officials of Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, regulators SEBI and ROC, and many more. Without your extensive hard work, this would not have been possible. So only because of your relentless efforts and cooperations at all stages, this humongous task could have been effectively delivered and we could eventually deliver such a massively successful IPO with a huge oversubscription of nearly 182 times. So thank you all for that. We also take this opportunity to thank all the mutual funds, FIIs, sovereign funds, life funds, HNIs, to extend their wholehearted support in making this IPO such a huge success. We also thank, a really big thank to all the 32 lakh retail investors who have laid their faith in us, believed our story. Today, probably we could just accommodate about 1 lakh or 2 lakhs of retail investors and could give them allocations. But I hope, sincerely hope, one fine day, Tatva Chintan family grows big enough to be able to accommodate all these 32 lakh investors. We also appreciate the contributions of our independent directors and also our advisors on company law matters. Their work has been really outstanding. Also, we are grateful to our banks, ICICI Bank and Citibanks, who have always trusted us, and they have really contributed in terms of energizing our growth in the last few years. On behalf of the promoters, I wholeheartedly thank the Tatva Chintan team, who has worked really hard for years by our side and helped us grow and shape this company. So a big thank you to the Tatva team. And only because of you, we are what we are today. Not to miss out our family and friends who probably have sacrificed the most. So many events, birthdays, anniversaries have been missed out. But at the end, the warm welcome from them is what has kept us going. So a big thank you to all of you. All the three promoters would like to dedicate this event today to their late fathers, who believed in us and encouraged us to become the first generation entrepreneurs. They are not with us today, but we are sure wherever they are feeling good and proud of this moment. Sorry. I am still not able to absorb this moment. This doesn't seem real. When we started in 1996, myself, Ajay, Shekhar, as three young college friends coming together to form this company, then we have slowly and steadily grown this company over the years. And today, I am standing here in front of you on this auspicious podium. This whole journey seems like a dream. I am still not able to understand whether this is a reality or a dream. When we started, hardly few people believed that we three could stick together for a long time. But today, after completing 25 years of our journey together, we still stand together, strong as ever before. I contribute this to be one of the most strongest pillars in our growth. Tatva Chintan has been doing quite few unique things over the past 25 years in the field of specialty chemicals, wherein we have given quite unique products and unique technologies. Tatva Chintan is the only and the largest producers of structure directing agents in India, and also only the second in the world. Again, we are the only commercial producers of electrolyte salts in India, which are used for supercapacitor batteries. Again, we are the only producer of glimes in India and the third largest in the world. We are the largest producers of phase transfer catalyst in India, as well as one of the largest in the world. But said this is not the end of the journey. I assure you that we will continue with our passion to deliver niche and better products and newer stuff in the future. The IPO funds being invested into expanding our manufacturing capacities and R&D capabilities will give us a strong impetus to the future growth. Today is the moment of pride for Tatva Chintan. A big milestone has been achieved. This has opened, but by this has opened new doors, the new beginning, and a new journey has to start. We are conscious of the fact that because of the overwhelming response from the investors, this has definitely increased our moral responsibilities to deliver the best to all the stakeholders. On behalf of Tatva Chintan, I pledge that we shall practice good governance and continue to work hard, more hard, and with dedication and passion, and we shall deliver a sustainable growth for years to come. Thank you all.
Wow, thank you so much, sir. It was an extremely inspiring speech, I can say, and your 25-year journey is all there to, inspire and motivate us consistently. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited, to please come on stage and say a few words. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, please. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Shri Chintan Shah, Managing Director, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. Shri Ajay Patel, Whole-Time Director. Shri Shekhar Somani, Whole-Time Director. Shri Mahesh Tanna, CFO. Shri Deven Kampani, JM Financial. Shri Deepak Naval, ICICI Securities. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the BSE's International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listings of Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem. A very warm welcome to all of you to India's leading and most diverse exchange that provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, currencies, commodities, interest rates, distribution of mutual funds, insurance, power, stock lending, borrowing, and many other things. The BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets by being India's first universal exchange and the fastest stock exchange in the world, the speed of 6 microseconds. BSE puts forward a strong and robust platform for its over 7.5 crore investors today to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. Listing on the exchange helps company to move forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from over 4,700 companies listed on the BSE platform, making it the world's largest in terms of listed companies. The BSE platform is designed to not only provide liquidity, but also bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery mechanism for newly listed companies. We are confident that by listing on the BSE, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base, which we hope will support its business expansion plans. The IPO book build public issue consisted of 46,16,804 equity shares of rupees 10 each in the price band of rupees 1,073 to rupees 1,083, aggregating to rupees 499.99 crores. The issue was oversubscribed 182.04 times overall, with 32.70 times in the retail category, 188.88 times in the QIB category, and 510.85 times in the NIA category, making it an extremely successful IPO. I congratulate the management of Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem, merchant bankers, ICICI Securities and JM Financial, and everyone else involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in their business. BSE looks forward to continue being Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship in the years to come. Thank you.
So I request you to be on stage. To commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have an exchange of mementos. May I request Ashish sir to present special memento to Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. And may I invite Mr. Chintan Shah, Mr. Ajay Patel, Mr. Shekhar Somani, and Mr. Mahesh Channa to please come on stage. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Yes. 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 May I request, sir, to present the mementos to Mr. Ajay Patel. Mr. Shekhar Somani. Mr. Mahesh Tanna. And to the Managing Director, Mr. Chintan Shah. Yes, yes. Yes. May I also request Mr. Deven Kampani from JM Financial to please come, and Ashish sir to please present the memento. Let's have an applause, please. And I would also request Mr. Deepak Naval from ICICI Securities to please come on stage. For sir. Yes, yes. And with that, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request, the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. So I request everyone to please gather near the gong. Everyone, please. Yes. Yes. Now only a few more seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. All right. I guess we all should do a nice countdown. Yes? All right. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Wow, that is called a bumper listing, ladies and gentlemen. Let's fill the room with an energetic, an encouraging, and a thunderous round of applause. Wow. Oh, wow. Absolutely beautiful. A moment that we all will remember. Yes. 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 Thank you. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. And with that, gentlemen, we'll continue with the memento presentation. Now may I request Mr. Yes. Yes, let's have a photo opportunity, please. Thank you. So we'll continue with the presentation of mementos. Yes. May I request Mr. Chintan Shah to present special mementos to the very special partners whose contributions have been invaluable in the successful listing of Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. May I request him to present the memento to Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited. Now I request, sir, to present the memento to Mr. Deven Kampani from JM Financial. I request now, sir, to present the memento to Mr. Deepak Naval from ICICI Securities Limited. Now, may I request Mr. Arun Ori, Director at Factors Advertising and PR, to please come on stage and, sir, to present the mementos. Let's hear it up for Mr. Arun Ori. Now I request Ms. Mansi Javeri from Induslot, please come on stage. Yes, let's hear it up for Ms. Mansi. Now may I request Mr. Kishore Thakkar, MD, Link In Time India Private Limited, to please come on stage and, sir, to present the memento. And may I request a representative from Western Printer to please come on stage. All right, with that, thank you so much, gentlemen, for doing the honors. Let's have once again a huge, huge round of applause. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to invite Mr. Deepak Naval from ICICI Securities to now say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. I, on behalf of ICICI Securities, feel truly privileged to be part of this momentous occasion of Tatva Chintan's capital markets debut on exchanges today. We at ICICI Securities take immense pride in having partnered the company in having achieved a record-breaking oversubscription across all categories, with marquee global and domestic investors, and indeed a very, very overwhelming retail participation, which has been the highest in the recent times. Ajay Bhai, Shekhar Bhai, and Chintan Bhai, what a remarkable journey you have had, starting from college friendship 25 years back, which culminated into this enterprise, a glorious enterprise. And over the years, you have been able to nurture this enterprise to a world-class, green chemistry-focused specialty chemicals company, which is today. Just like you have built very strong foundations of company in partnership with your esteemed customers, suppliers, and employees, I'm sure you will build equally solid partnership with investors who have reposed tremendous faith and trust in you and your company. I, on behalf of BRLMs, again wholeheartedly thanks all the intermediaries, regulators, exchanges, printers, auditors, legal counsels, everyone who have tirelessly worked to and contributed to this stellar IPO, which is today, and especially under the most difficult external circumstances. So heartiest congratulations to all of you and all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Mahesh Tanna, Chief Financial Officer, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited, to share his vote of thanks on this occasion. More welcome to you, sir.
Good morning to all. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor to propose a vote of thanks on this auspicious ceremony of the listing of Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited on BSE. On behalf of Tatva Chintan fraternity and on my own behalf, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all present here to bless us on these auspicious occasions. I thank each one of you for accepting our invitation and blessing us with your presence. I would like to acknowledge our gratitude to all the speakers for their wonderful words of inspiration. This journey would not have been a memorable one if we do not have the support of our bankers and legal counsel. It is because of their relentless effort that this issue became a successful one. I thank our bankers, ICICI Securities Limited and JM Financials, our legal counsel Indus Law and Khetan and Company for making this issue a successful one. Would also like to thank the regulator SEBI for making the whole listing experience a smooth sail. Also, I take this opportunity to thank our media fraternity for their support. We'll also like to thank our advertising and PR partner at Factor PR. We thank the team of BSE Limited and Ashish Kumar Chauhanji for being a wonderful host by giving their historical international convention hall for the listing ceremony of Tatva Chintan today. On this note, as we start a new journey and open a new chapter in our history, I wish to express my gratitude to all those who made our IPO such as resounding success. Last but not the least, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our shareholders for investing in the IPO and reposing their continuous trust and faith in us. We shall strive to deliver the value for all stakeholders. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the warm vote of thanks. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the end of this beautiful, momentous occasion. And once again, let's have a huge round of applause for this bumper listing of Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited. And ladies and gentlemen, Bombay Stock Exchange has also arranged for refreshments and breakfast right here. So we request all our guests to kindly enjoy yourselves. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. And thank you once again for joining us for this wonderful occasion. Thank you.